In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can earn your first $5,000, or you can earn this $5,000 during your part-time just by copying and pasting images. The amount of money you can earn on this platform is limitless. What you just have to do is to paste images, and when I say images, I mean original images. And don't worry, how can you get original images? I'm going to show you also in this video. So the first thing you have to do is to go to any browser of your choice. This is Google Chrome interface. So go to any browser of your choice and dial in this keyword known as CampusHutzle. CampusHutzle. As you can see on the screen, and you send, it allows to load. So this is CampusHutzle. As you can see here, what you just have to do is to click on the first link. You have to click on the first link and then allow it to open. So this is a platform that allows you to upload images and start making money. Before we go on, my name is Basi Ejibaji. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel we talk about how you can make money online as a total beginner in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so you can continue getting updates anytime I make a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And today's video, I'm going to show you a platform where you can upload legit and authentic images and you can start making money. So this interface, as you can see here, is the interface of a platform that is known as CampusHutzle. So it says creativity pays. At CampusHutzle, it pays to share. We provide the best online photo sharing platform to help you share your images and get paid for it, as you can see here. So these are features, and these features are simply photos that have been released by people who are users also of this platform, just like you, who have been sharing their creativity on this platform and get paid. As you can see here, these are all unique photos. As you can see here, it says, how does it work? The first way it works is that once you sign up, you simply use your easy upload system to add your images to our photo sharing platform, and you can start earning money today. Number 2 ways is that users via photos. Now, when your photos are displayed to others that visit CampusHutzle, when your photos are viewed, you make money. Number 3, it says you get paid for your. It says when your payment reaches $15, you can request to withdraw the money. Payments are made through PayPal for your security. So if you don't have a PayPal, you need to make sure you learn how to or look for a way to create a PayPal account. So now these are all images that are displayed on this platform. So I can decide to click on them. For anyone I click here to view, the owner make money. So you can see here, anyone I click here to view, the owner make at least $0.5 to $1 whenever you click and view any images. So what you just have to do is to go on to browser of your choice, Google Chrome, and dial in this keyword known as CampusHutzle, and you'll be taken to this interface. For you to know more about them, you can go on to their how it works as a FAQ, and you get to know more about them. So what you just have to do is you can decide to sign up on this platform. So let's see if we can sign up accurately. So to sign up on this platform, what you just need is your username, your email address, your password. You confirm your password and you click on accept the terms and privacy policy. Say tick here for inspiring inbox. Get a weekly newsletter if you really want to get their weekly newsletter. So what you just have to do is your username. You can choose any username. So let's say a job. I'm going to use my username. Let it open. So say sorry. EJEOGBA. So say a jobber. So email address, we're gonna use Elijah. So this is my password. So this is my password. So I'm going to confirm the password over here too. So this is just it, and what you have to do again is to you click on accept the terms, and you can click also. So what you just, after you have done that, you can also decide to log into this platform on Facebook instead of filling all this information. So what you just have to do is to click on sign up. So you click on sign up and you allow it to open. This username cannot contain special characters. more than this and this. Let me check on my username. There's nothing wrong with my username. So let's see. Okay, let's use any username. That is, let's say San. So let's see whether this one will be accepted. So that is just how you can get to sign up on this platform. Okay, so username is already taken. I don't understand. So who gets, okay, Zangara. So let's go on. Sign up. So this is just how you can sign up on this platform actually. Now just pray they don't tell me that my username has been taken. Alright, so this username has not been taken. So now when you get to this interface, as you can see here, I want to show you something. It says this is your membership plan. So on this membership plan, there's a free upload. As you can see here, there's a free upload where you earn $0 per month. You have 20 uploads per day. You follow creators that you love. You create your own feed of stunning photos. You rate photos and create album. Now, if you choose on this free membership plan, is that actually you are not going to earn. What you just have to do, what you are coming here to do, is you just want to come and enjoy the platform. So you are not here to earn money. You can upload up to 20 times per day. You can follow creators that you love. You can create your own feed of stunning photos. You can rate photos and create album. Now, or you can go on to the second membership plan, which is $1.70 per month. That's 19.99p yearly, where you can be able to earn 0.7 cents per view. You have unlimited uploads. You can follow creators that you love. You can create your own photos, that is stunning photos, and also have the most popular, where is $5 per month, and you can earn 0.9 cents and others, so at follow creators and a lot of benefits that is with it. Or you can also follow the one that is known as the seller, where you can earn up to 0.8 cents per paid view when you want view your photo, and you'll also be able to make money. So these are their plans that are available. Now anyone you decide to choose is also left for you. So these are their membership plan. When you can also buy their membership plan of just can buy the membership plan of $1.70 per month, and you'll be able to start making money on this platform. Now, if you are looking for legit images, because on this platform you don't have to upload images that are not authentic. What you have to do is you have to upload your own authentic images, and you can do this even without showing your face. Or what you have to also do, you can go to let me show you. You can go to a face generator AI. So you come here and click on face generator AI, face generator AI, and you send. It's a face generator AI, and it's send. As you can see, generate faces using AI. So you can click on this generate faces using AI, or if there is actually any way you think you can use to generate images. As you can see, it says unique real-time face generator. The feature is so you can generate a unique person with your parameters in just one click. So as you can see here, this is a face generator. So you can create the faces. As you can see, these are all legit faces, where you can be able to create the sex, the head pose, the emotion, the age, and everything you use, which you think you can use to create a unique real face generator. So you can click on generate faces if you want to generate face. So you allow it to load, and when you open, you'll be able to start generating unique faces, where you'll be able to give the hair color, can be able to give their emotions, their age, how you want their heads to be, and a lot of others. Can see here. So I can decide this is to generate face. So I can decide to click on male, and this is the age. I can decide to say, okay, the age, this person is going to be younger. The emotion, I'm saying this person is going to be a little bit of frightened. Their skin tone, I can say, okay, brown skin. So I can say, okay, generate new face. As you can see here, I've clicked on this generate new face. So let's allow it to open. Generate face. So that is just how you'll be able to generate face with all. Okay, we still have we have the hair. So we can say, okay, This person is going to have hair, glasses. We're going to say sun reading glass. We're going to say makeup on the eye, lips. So we're going to say generate face. Just pray it works out. But this is how you can generate face on this platform. It is as easy as this. Or you can also update faces. You can also click here. You'll be able to update faces. But this is just an example of ways in which you can be able to get unique faces or unique images just for yourself. Or you can also decide to be snapping people in your neighborhood if you wish, but I don't think that is advisable. Or you can use any other AI image generator and you'll be able to generate faces, which you can click on to this platform, which is known as Click a Snap. Click a snap and you'll be able to start making money. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so that you get updated anytime I will upload videos like this, and so that it can also help me grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.